at Singapore Airport, Changi Airport. So, I already have my eSIM or electronic SIM card. So, mayroon akong internet. Siguro magta-taxi muna tayo. Hindi muna tayo magko-commute. Kasi sayang yung oras natin. Okay, let's go guys. So, first ko kailangang gawin is hanapin ko yung immigration para makapag-fill up tayo ng Singapore arrival card. So, dito ang arrival is going up. I'm so confused. Kailangan natin magtanong. Ito, immigration. So, ito na. Ayun na immigration. Tada! We are gonna scan this. Okay. So here, I think we're just gonna scan your passport. So, I'm so happy I'm out already. So, magta-taxi na muna tayo for today para makaikot ako agad. So, this is our hotel for today. Cave Hotel. Hey. Hello, good evening. So, palabas na ako. Yung Gardens by the Bay, 11 minutes siya from our location. And, paano ako magta-taxi na to?
English,
Yeah, English. Nice.
You see that one?
Oh,
That one is the
yeah.
Kallang by the Bay. You see that?
Helix Bridge, is it?
Yeah. That
Ah.
side is Manalayan. Manalayan. That side.
Ah, it's on a different side. Maybe tomorrow I'll go there. But
That one is there.
there's also bus.
No, I pass. I don't know that.
Ah, you don't know the
I
bus.
don't know, but
This is it. So, I'm walking here. Nakita ko na yung Gardens by the Bay. Nakikita ko na yung Marina Bay Sands. Pero hindi ko pa mahanap yung pinaka-viewing deck. I'm so happy. Nasa ibang lugar ako. So pretty. Marina Bay Sands. So happy. So ngayon, hahanapin natin kung saan yung best spot nung Marina Bay Sands sa gabi. So, I'm so happy. Feeling ko may crocodile sa gilid. Oh, the best spot! Nice. So happy. I'm so happy. I'm so really am happy. Ang hirap lang mag-video na mag-isa, pero ang saya. Look at this! Look at my view! I'm alone here. Tapos, you can see there.
We present a journey through Asia. So pick a spot, grab your cameras, and enjoy the show.
So, yun. It's a good day. So, nakapag-prepare na ako and I'm about to sleep. I had fun. Konti lang napuntahan ko, but still, it's still Singapore. It's still a place na hindi ko usually pinupuntahan and I only have 21 hours there. Number one priority is to have a photo sa Merlion. Yung mga susunod, mga bonus na lang yan. And naman tayo mag-iikot sa Singapore Airport. Doon, meron akong prospect na puntahan. So, hopefully talaga, mapuntahan natin yan. Yan, hindi ako nakakain ng gusto kong noodles, laksa noodles, or yung satay. I will check tomorrow if makakakain pa tayo nun. But if not, it's also okay. Ano ba yung mga nakita ko kakaiba? Yung usual kasi drivers will be on the left side. But here's nasa right side sila. Then, nung nagpapara ako ng taxi, may nag-approach sa akin. Then sabi niya, dun ako sa kabila. Kasi hindi daw ako hihintuan kung nasa right side ako. So, ayun, hindi siya usual. So, pag sa Pilipinas or sa UAE, usually nasa right side ka niyan. Pero dito, you should be on the left. Restaurants, their names be on a different language or character. And yung food, yung tao, naghahanap ako ng kabayan. Ang hirap din maghanap. I think konti lang yung nakita kong kabayan. It's cool and it's weird. Weird feeling, but best feeling ever. I'm gonna rest for now and see you tomorrow. I'm just happy that makikip ko yung memory that sa buhay ko, I went to Singapore for 21 hours and just roam around and it's fun. So, good night for now. Bye!